Let's start by making a brand new drawing, and to do this I'm going to use a template that I previously made. I'll click that Browse button to navigate to my USB drive where I can find that template. And now I'm going to begin drawing what's called a V-slide plate. And to begin this, we'll draw a circle. This circle has a radius of 0.875. And I'm going to draw another circle, but I'm going to snap from the center of that circle at a relative 1.37 units in the positive x direction and a negative 2.125 units in the negative y direction. Now let's mirror that second circle about the center of the first circle. We'll place it right there. And now I want to connect those two circles with a line. So let's draw a line that is drawn from the quadrant of one circle to that 270-degree quadrant of the second circle. I'm going to draw another circle. This time I'm going to snap from the midpoint of that line, and I'm going to, in effect, measure at a relative 2.2 units in the x direction and 4.7 units in the y direction. I'll connect that last circle with a line that is tangent, and I'm going to make that line tangent to the other circle. Now I'll draw a line from the center of this circle to that end point. Let's use that copy command to copy that circle to the center of the first circle that was drawn. And we'll use that copy command to draw yet another line, or not draw a line, but we'll copy it. And we'll copy it to those two locations. And now I'd like to move this line from that endpoint to an intersection right there. And now I'll use the fillet command. My fillet radius has been set to 0. Now let's erase some of the construction geometry that is no longer needed. We'll define some cutting edges so that we can do some trimming. And now I'm going to use the mirror tool. I'm going to drag a crossing window around those three objects and mirror them about the center of what's drawn. Now I'll use that trim tool again. We'll select these objects using a crossing window and trim that geometry that is no longer necessary.